As the festive season approaches, the nation eagerly anticipates the annual White House Advent Calendar, a cherished tradition that showcases the creativity and diversity of American craftsmanship. This year, a particularly unique entry has caught the attention of the public and space enthusiasts alike: the James Webb Space Telescope's Cosmic Christmas Bauble. The inclusion of this space-themed ornament in the White House Advent Calendar not only highlights the intersection of science and holiday cheer, but also underscores the significance of the imminent launch of the James Webb Space Telescope. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to stay updated when we release new videos. Chapter 1. The James Webb Space Telescope, a glimpse into the supernova. And you thought the wreckage of Christmas dinner took a while to clear up. A newly revealed image of Cassiopeia Adsase, taken by the James Webb Space Telescope, shows the brilliant supernova wreckage still shining like a cosmic Christmas bauble around 340 years after a star violently exploded to create it. The image of the supernova remnant, which is located around 10,000 light-years away from us, was revealed as part of the 2023 holidays at the White House celebration and the first-ever White House Advent Calendar by First Lady Dr. Jill Biden and NASA on Sunday, December 10. This supernova debris has previously been studied in great detail over a range of wavelengths, but the James Webb Space Telescope's new image represents Christmas come early for astronomers because it shows Cassiopeia, which is about 10 light-years wide in high resolution. Chapter 2. Bridging Science and Tradition, the White House Advent Calendar. With NIRFTAM's resolution, we can now see how the dying star absolutely shattered when it exploded, leaving filaments akin to tiny shards of glass behind. Purdue University scientist Danny Milisavljevic said in a statement, referring to the James Webb Space Telescope's near-infrared camera, "It's really unbelievable after all these years studying Cassiopeia to now resolve those details, which are providing us with transformational insight into how this star exploded." The image captured by the James Webb Space Telescope's NIRCam follows up on another image taken of Cassiopeia, a portrait that owes itself to another of the telescope's instruments, the mid-infrared instrument, MIRA. This view, taken in April, showed new and unexpected features in the expanding shell of stellar debris. The weird thing, however, is that many of these features are not visible in the James Webb Space Telescope's new image, laying out a Christmas mystery for astronomers. In theory, these features could be absent in this new image, which also appears less colorful than the earlier picture of Cassiopeia, because different colors were assigned to different wavelengths of infrared light in the two images. That means that each of the colors indicates a different physical process occurring in the shell of stellar material. The most visible colors in the NIRCam image are bright orange and light pink, with these representing the inner shell of Cassiopeia. Within this region are wispy knots of sulfur, oxygen, argon, and neon gas that came from the star that exploded over 10,300 years ago. Because we see this wreckage as it was some 10,000 years ago, a portion of the gas and dust within will have already started to move away to birth interstellar dust clouds that will eventually collapse to birth new stars. Also within this wreckage are filaments of dust and gas that are something like 10 billion light-years across, yet are still too small for even this ultra-powerful $10 billion telescope to resolve. Chapter 3. Unveiling the Cosmic Christmas Bauble at the White House. The official unveiling of the Cosmic Christmas Bauble at the White House has become a momentous occasion, drawing attention from both the scientific community and the general public. The ceremony, attended by key figures from NASA, the White House, and the diplomatic community, marks the intersection of science, art, and holiday festivities. During the unveiling ceremony, a NASA representative provides insights into the significance of the James Webb Space Telescope and the craftsmanship behind the Cosmic Christmas Bauble. The audience is treated to a virtual tour of the telescope, showcasing its state-of-the-art technology and the scientific questions it aims to answer. As the ornament is placed on the White House Advent Calendar, it takes its designated spot alongside other iconic symbols of American history and culture. The Cosmic Christmas Bauble stands out as a representation of human curiosity, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge that drives space exploration. Chapter 4. The Grinch is missing, but baby Cassiopeia is clear. The outskirts of the Cassie's main chalet are visible in the image, but are represented by darker orange and red colors and appear almost as smoke billowing around the devastation of this stellar explosion. Here, the blast from the supernova is still pushing outwards, ramming into surrounding circumstellar material, which itself is too cool to be detected by the James Webb Space Telescope. The white hues in the image represent electrons being accelerated by powerful magnetic fields to near light speeds and emitting a form of radiation called synchrotron radiation. This form of radiation is also forming the bubble-like structures we see in the lower half of the inner cavity. One stunning feature of CAS-A that is conspicuous by its absence in the NIRCam image is the green monster, a Grinch-like loop of green light scientists expect to see at the heart of the wreckage's inner shell. The so-called monster seen in the April MIRI observations of the supernova wreckage, though, has led researchers to describe its existence as challenging to explain. However, antisocial, like the sea's creation, the green monster's leftovers that are still visible in this image could still help explain the situation. Circular holes that appeared in the MIRI image can be made out in this NIRCam image, manifesting as white and purple emissions that represent ionized gas formed as stellar debris forces its way through the outer gas and ultimately shapes it. One fascinating new feature seen by NIRCam is a blob of gas and dust that researchers have named Baby CAS-A. This name is fitting because the spot of matter appears to be the offspring of the main supernova wreckage, or rather light from the explosion that is being reflected from warm dust that glows as it cools. Located around 170 light-years behind CAS-A, Baby CAS-A is likely to be an object of great fascination to astronomers because of its intricate dust patterns. The NIRCam image also shows that CAS-A is surrounded by other light echo offspring of the main stellar explosion. Perhaps we're soon to investigate other baubles on the James Webb Space Telescope's incomprehensibly large cosmic Christmas tree. Chapter 5. Challenges and Triumphs: The Path to Launch. The journey of the James Webb Space Telescope has not been without its challenges. The project has faced delays, technical hurdles, and budgetary constraints, prompting concerns and skepticism from some quarters. However, the dedication and perseverance of the scientists, engineers, and project managers involved have triumphed over these obstacles. As the telescope completes its final preparations for launch, the cosmic Christmas bauble serves as a symbol of resilience and the human spirit's ability to overcome challenges. Its inclusion in the White House Advent calendar becomes not only a celebration of the holiday season, but also a recognition of the collective efforts that have brought the James Webb Space Telescope to the brink of its historic mission. In the spirit of the holiday season, the inclusion of the James Webb Space Telescope's cosmic Christmas bauble in the White House Advent calendar marks a unique fusion of science, tradition, and celebration. As families across the nation count down the days to Christmas, they are reminded of the awe-inspiring achievements of the scientific community and the limitless possibilities that await humanity in the vast expanse of the cosmos. The cosmic Christmas bauble encourages us to look to the stars with wonder and curiosity, much like the scientists who have dedicated their careers to exploring the mysteries of the universe. As the James Webb Space Telescope embarks on its historic mission, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.